Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the essentials are ready. Phone charged, data on, and Zee5 installed. Open Zee5 and sign in so the app recognizes you. This avoids payment or profile errors later. Once done, grant camera permission when prompted, or, if you prefer, open a trusted QR scanner app. You do this because the scanner must access the lens to read the code. Otherwise, you'll only see a blocked or blank screen. You now scan. Tap the scanner inside Zee5 or point a QR app at the code. Keep the phone steady, about 6 to 12 inches away, and frame the code fully. If blurry, tap to focus. When the link appears, pause and check it references Zee5 to avoid phishing. Then tap the prompt to open the subscription page. This transfers the code data into Zee5, so make sure you're on the correct account before proceeding. You finish by confirming the plan details and price on the Zee5 page that opened. Double-check any promo codes are applied. Select your payment method and complete the purchase. Then save the confirmation or screenshot the receipt for records. If the QR link doesn't work, reboot the app and rescan, or clear Zee5 cache. Alternatively, try the phone's native camera if the scanner app fails. That single troubleshooting step resolves most.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.